Hey folks, we got a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle that just rolled in. This is a beautiful car, guys. It's got a big block automatic, and it is a good looker, good driver. Really nice body panels, very straight gaps all over, all around the car. Dual exhaust, four-wheel disc brakes with the American Racing wheels on it. Yes, I did say four-wheel disc brakes. All the chrome on the car has been replaced. The tail panel, the tail lights, all nice and crisp. Really nice car with the shiny chrome door handles, guys. It's been replaced. Nice vent windows in the 67s. As you can see, the dash there is in great condition, and the body and paint on this thing is real slick, guys. I want to check out under the hood and show you guys a couple things. I did that with one hand. Yep, big block, 396, guys. You got the four-wheel power disc brakes with the master cylinder and booster. You got your chrome power steering. You got hooker headers. Suspension feels real good on the car. We will be going for a test drive. Correct valve covers. Upgraded aluminum radiator with big fan for keeping this beast cool. You got the Edelbrok set up on the intake, and also the 4-barrel Edelbrok carburetor tuned. Hoses have been replaced. Really sharp car, guys. Look at it, even in the little crevices. I mean, all the thing has been paid attention to. I want to fire this thing up. In the meantime, look at this. Look how nice these door lips are. Weather stripping has been done underneath here. Whoever restored it took their time. Nice door panels. Power windows. When was the last time you seen that in the 67? Inner outer door jambs are gorgeous on this car. Bucket seats. Console tilt wheel. Upgraded gauges, guys. I'll show you that. Nice weather stripping. Nice dash. Headliner's tight. Package tray is good. And back seat as well, guys. Let's hop in this thing really quick. Look at this thing. Isn't that nice? Solid trunk. Jack assembly, mat, spare tire. Let's fire this up. It's enough. Look at this dash, how it lights up. Isn't that super cool? Like I said, you got tilt wheel. Got the radio here with the Bluetooth all set up. My favorite part of the day. So a few things on this Chevelle before we ship it out. We will be putting the car through service. Okay. You see the wipers do function. Okay. Now the horn is currently, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it works. Tilt wheel, power windows, all function. All right. Wow. This thing has a monster concert sound stereo system in it, guys. Woo! Turn signals all function. All right. Power steering feels great in the car. Oh, this is like butter. Oh, this is a really nice car, guys. Really nice car. Yeah, let's check out the power windows. Yep, it's all good. Trans feels really nice too. It shifts real good. Nice and smooth. All the gauges are operable. Brakes feel great. Let's see the power steering when we do a full turn here. Well, that tire rubbed a little bit. We're gonna look into that. Rolling burnout. Yeah. Smoked them up there. Woo. Man, this thing glides down the road. Oh, this is really nice. Nice and smooth. Very responsive on the throttle. You hit the brake, honestly, it doesn't pull left nor right. Yeah. Man, the temperament on this motor is really, really nice. Great combination. Very comfortable. I would drive this thing across the country. Should not have any problems. Yeah, this thing is smooth like butter. No complaints here, guys. I've been in the business for 26 years. This is a nice car. Not that I'm trying to sell it to you. I mean, I'm trying to sell it to you, but honestly, these cars sell on their own. If you like the car, you're gonna buy it, no matter what I say or do, but I'm just telling you the facts and the truth about the car. Yeah, it's a nice one. Came from down south. No rot on the car that I can see. Somebody really took care of this thing throughout the years. Many, many, many years. Thumbs up everywhere we go. Wow, this is nice. This is a nice one. MGMClassicCars.com is located at 150 South Church in Addison, Illinois, 60101. 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare, 45 minutes from Midway Airport. We welcome you to come see the car. Drive the car, look at it, touch it, feel it. Listen, if you can't do it, I understand. This is why I make these long videos, to reinsure you. I reinsure you because I want to continue having over 500 5-star Google reviews. I want to be 100% on eBay feedback like I currently am with hundreds of transactions. And that's why I tell you everything about the cars, guys. This is a good one. Nice body and paint as well, and it drives like a dream. I let my wife drive this. It's easy. So if you need financing, if your credit score is like 640 to 775, you will need 10% down of the purchase price that's shown. But you can roll in your sales tax, you can roll in your delivery charge, right into the loan if need be. If you need the loan, need good credit, you will need good credit, go to MGMClassicCars.com. For those of you over a 775 credit score, go directly to my lender's website at lightstream.com and fill it out there. Rates start today at about 7%. Take advantage. If you need delivery, call or text me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. No squeaks, hitting any bumps. Really, really smooth car. Like they say, drives like a Cadillac. Enjoy the ride. Check out our website at MGMClassicCars.com. weatherstripping.com. We have over 200 cars in our building here that I'm about to pull into. We do have a full service department as well. So if you have a car, it needs work, call us up. We do pick up and deliver. I don't care where you're located. We've done cars in Hawaii. We've done cars in Puerto Rico. We've done cars overseas. You guys can call or text. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. I'm about to pull into the service department. We'll get the car up on the lift, and we will be taking more photos of underneath the vehicle. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.